There are three common types of web hosting services. First, let's talk about shared hosting. It is a cheap web hosting where most websites live. Shared hosting is like living in an apartment, often comes with all the necessities like website builders, email, and build a portal or blog with WordPress. However, the trade-off is that you share the facilities with many other people. What you do in your apartment could affect other tenants and websites. The second type of hosting is VPS, also known as Virtual Private Server. It is like your own apartment in a condo. VPS is larger and gives you more control than a shared hosting account. Since you own the apartment, you have control over nearly everything within the VPS and your allotted resources that are not shared by everyone. The last type of hosting is known as dedicated servers. A dedicated server is like owning your own house and have access to all resources available on the machine. Dedicated server is more expensive than shared hosting and VPS, but if your site receives a lot of traffic, dedicated server is your best bet.